Good morning, good morning, good morning, man. We back at it again. It's Thursday morning. We're ready to go. We locked and loaded, got our levels intact. And as you can see, it's trading at the mid level, and you can see the action at the mid level. So this is the 15-minute chart. And as you can see, if we go to the 5 chart, we can see it tried to hold the support, broke down. Then you could have got the break and retest. Didn't pay much. I mean, it would have paid much if you was in options, but nice move, but got recovered instantly. News came out, broke it now it's holding it as support, as you can see. So we kind of in that stage of like, man, it's a lot of indecisiveness going on in the market. All right, inflation data came out cooler than expected on both the PPI and the CPI. So the market really don't want to pick a direction, but we've been in a overall bearish market for like the last almost month now. So if you would have caught this bounce off the mid level, you'll have to take this pre-market high into consideration as a level of resistance, because look at the big sell that happened from there. You know, you don't know if that was a pullback for the continuation to the high side. Who knows? But if I was in my position and if I would have got long off that mid level just now, off the break, bounce, I would definitely be looking at this level like, hey man, it's a potential that there's a seller's present there just because of the move that happened off it. Right? It could be a double top setting up off the pre-market high. You just never know. So if you go long, just keep that in consideration. If you take the bounce, like right now, we got the action that we want off the mid level. We see it holding that support, the break, retest holding. So now we would like to see it comes back down in this level, hold, and then we'll take the long. Hopefully get the push back up to prior day high. That'll be the trade that we like to take. But we'll have to know that if we get into this position, we have to be cautious at this level, because it could break it and then just straight reverse. So that'll be the trade that I'm looking for. I'll be looking for either this retest, see if this can hold, and then try to get long. Or if we don't get that trade and we watching this pre-market high, possibly we can get the short back down to the mid-level. But we got the action that we want off the mid-level. But the thing is, man, we're in a bearish overall market. So you just got to know, like, even though it's been good news, is that enough to move the market? Is that enough for the market to bounce? No one knows. You just got to take your trade. So I would love for the market to come back down, hold this mid-level area, and then catch that long higher. Try to get the push for either pre-market high, or if we just straight rip through pre-market high on the push, then we could possibly get prior day high on the run. See, because you see this action, that's a nice push up, nice sell, and you don't know if this just a pullback for the continuation higher, or if they're setting up this double top. It's a lot of trades going on. So all I can say is just wait for the one that you want, or the one you seeing. And I know pre-market high setting up like this inside a bear trend, it's a possibility that this double top can print out and work, like it can straight up just respect this level and then just continue to flush down. But market super oversold, as we can see, so it's due for a bounce, man. No one knows when it's gonna come, but it's gonna come, and it's gonna be a big bounce, I guarantee you. Maybe today, maybe tomorrow, who knows? No one does. So you got to trade your trade until proven wrong. But you see the pullback back down to the mid level, I mean, the market don't open until another 20 minutes, so we might miss that trade. But we'll take the pull back down, try to get that push up. But the levels are intact. Mid-level was resistance. Now it's back to support. So the market's got to go search for some type of sellers. Would it be here at pre-market or would it be up here at prior day high? We shall see on the next episode of the market. Alright, adios, man. See you guys tonight. See how we did on the day.